In this problem, we've got to find the area of the segmented shaded area in blue. The radius of the circle is 5 units, and the base of the triangle is 8 units. We're going to use pi as 3.14 to find the shaded area. So the first thing we got to do is find the sector, the area of a sector. And the area of a sector is this area right here. And as you can see, if we find the area of the whole sector and minus the triangle, we will be able to find the area of the segment. So to find the area of the sector, we put our angle into this formula right here. So you get 112 over 360 pi, and then our radius is 5, so you get 5 squared. And we'll concentrate on that part first. So if we take 112 divided by 360, you get 0.311. Pi, we said, is 3.14 times 25. Okay, if we multiply this all out, we'll get 24.422, and that's the area of the sector. So we found that whole area. Again, this is the sector. Okay, we found that whole area. Now we got to subtract the triangle. The triangle gets a little bit more confusing because we got to use the Pythagorean theorem to find all the sides of the triangle. Now we're going to, if we draw a line straight down here and form a right angle, we now have a hypotenuse, leg, and leg. So we get, this is half the distance here, so this is 4, 5, and we need to figure out what this one is right here, this leg. To do that, we use the Pythagorean theorem, and you get c squared, or the hypotenuse squared, equals, or, just a minute there, okay, the hypotenuse here is 5 squared, and then we have equals we got 4 squared plus, and I'm going to call it x squared since we don't know what it is. So we take 5 squared, we get 25 equals 16 plus x squared. We got to get x by itself, so we subtract 16 over. You get minus, so you get 9 equals x squared. Take the square root of both sides, and you get x equals 3. So we now know that this height right here is 3. So that's the height of the triangle. So now let's find the area of our triangle, which we will use 1. We'll use 1/2 BH. So we know the base is 8, so we get 1/2 8 times 3. So 24, half of 24 is 12. So this equals 12. That's the area of the triangle, this right here. Okay. Now that we know that, we can find our segment, which we already did. So now we can go 24.422 minus 12. And if we subtract that out, we're going to get 12.42 2. And that is our answer then. That is the area of the shaded area right here. This area right here. We just found that.